In this video, I'll show you how to get Google Chat notifications when new file is uploaded in OneDrive automatically. So the idea here is whenever any of your team member is uploading a file into OneDrive folder, you can get an automated notification on Google Chat about the very same file upload. In this way, you do not have to follow up your team member that whether he has uploaded the file or not into that folder. In fact, your team member also do not have to text manually after every file upload that he has successfully uploaded the file, because every time a new file is uploaded here, you will get the notifications automatically on Google Chat. So if you also want to automate this process, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. So this is my OneDrive account, and here I'm going to upload a new file right in front of you into a specific folder, and you will see how as soon as I will upload a file, I will get a notification on one of my Google Chat space. But for that, I'll have to first integrate OneDrive and Google Chat, and I'm going to do that with Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. Okay, I will also attach this link into my description box for your reference. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you'll have to sign up for free, where you will also get free tasks every month in your account in order to test such type of amazing automation. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so firstly I've clicked on sign in, then I have selected this Pabbly Connect access now among all the application, and this is how I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, after reaching here, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. When new file is uploaded in OneDrive, okay, auto send, or you can say auto send notification. Okay, let me type it correctly. Auto send notification on Google Chat. Okay, so I'm providing this particular name to my workflow. Now click on create, and then you will find two boxes in front of you. So these are actually trigger and action. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Let me show you. Action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever any new file is uploaded in OneDrive application, automatically get a notification on Google Chat application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, and I'm going to connect this Google Chat with the Pabbly Connect later. Firstly, I'm going to do the setup of OneDrive. Okay, so the idea here is we want that whenever any new file is uploaded in OneDrive, this automation should trigger. So I have selected this trigger event and the application. Now I'm going to connect to Microsoft OneDrive with the Pabbly Connect. For that, you'll have to select this add a new connection, click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive, and provide the access of your OneDrive account here. Alright, since I am already logged in into my OneDrive account, it has not asked me for the access. Basically, it is simply asking me for the permission. I have clicked on allow, and here you can see the authorization is successful, and now OneDrive is connected with the Pabbly Connect. And the very first thing it is asking, set folder path. Okay, so you will have to read the instructions. Set the path of the folder for tracking the new files. Log into OneDrive, click on the folder and the subfolder to get the path of the nested folder. Example this. Okay, so basically you will have to provide the path of that folder in which you are about to upload the files. Okay, so I have created this particular folder with the name all important designs and files. Okay, so how about I first copy this data, all important designs and files. Well, it is not getting copied, so I'll come back here, and as per the instruction I am going to give the folder name. Okay, and since I do not have created any subfolder inside this, so that is why I will directly providing the name of the file. Okay, so here you can see, and instead of this arrow I need to provide the slash. Okay, and this is how you will have to provide the folder name. Okay, so I have the folder name as all important designs and files. Okay, so let me provide the name all important designs and files. All right, so I have provided the folder path, okay, and since I do not have any subfolder, so that is why I have provided the main folder name directly. And in the event type, well, I just have a single type of event only, that is new file created. Now as soon as I'll click on this button, you will see how the details will be captured, but currently this particular folder is actually blank, so that is why a blank response is received here. Okay, so right in front of you, I'm going to upload a new file. Okay, so I'm going to upload a file from my computer only. Okay, alright, so I have this PDF file as neat revision notes, so I'm going to upload this particular file here, and once the uploading is finished here, okay, I'll have to wait for that file to be uploaded. Alright, the file has been uploaded. Now again I'll come back and click on this button, and this time you will see how the details of that file will be captured, will be received as a response. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the web URL, here we have the size, here we have the name of the folder, and let me show you other details. So here we have the name of the file, and where is the file URL. Okay, here you can see this is the downloadable URL. If I will open this particular URL into a new tab, you will see this file is actually accessible. It is actually a downloadable file. Okay, so that means since this particular file is actually the public, basically the downloadable, I can send this file to any other application. All right, so this is how I have got all the data, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so what will happen every time when this automation will work in real time, what will happen every time you will upload any new file here, firstly the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes, in every 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case if your data, if your files are not getting captured in real time, don't worry about that, just wait for a few more minutes or maybe 10 minutes patiently. Okay, now the first step of our automation is done. Now I am going to send the notification about the very same file upload on Google Chat. Okay, so that is why I have selected the action application as Google Chat only, and since I want to send a message, so that is why I have selected this create message action. Even now I am going to click on this connect button, and you will see how Google Chat will be connected with the Pabbly Connect immediately, since I am already logged in into a different tab, into a same tab. Okay, and here you can see the very first thing it is asking for the chat webhook URL. So you'll have to read the instructions. Under your Google Chat room webhook URL here, you will be able to register the webhook only if you have a Google Workspace account. Click here to learn more. Okay, so let me show you. There is a documentation provided here for this. Okay, so you can read these instructions one by one. Okay, so firstly I will take you to my Google Chat application, and this is the space, this is the group I have created in which I would like to receive the notification. Okay, so I'm going to open that space, that group in which I would like to receive the notification. Then you will find an option of apps and integration. Again click on that, then click on manage webhooks, and here exactly you'll have to provide the connection name and the avatar URL. Okay, so how about I provide the name connection with the OneDrive. Okay, I'm providing any random name, asking for the avatar URL. So you can get this URL from the documentation only. So let me copy the very same URL provided here, and now I will be pasting the same URL here. Okay, alright, so I have pasted the same. Now I will click on save, and this is how I will receive a chat webhook URL, which you can directly copy from here. Okay, now I'm going to close it, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and this is how I will receive the chat webhook URL. Secondly, it is asking for the message, basically what kind of notification, what kind of message you would like to receive on your Google Chat group. Okay, so I'm going to compose the message something like, hello team, a new file has just got uploaded from the designer team into the folder, and here I want that the folder name should appear. Okay, so I have already received this folder name data here, so how about I directly take the folder name from here only. So where is the folder name? All right, here we have the folder name as the parent reference name, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. You can also search for that specific data which you would like to add here. Alright, so I have added the folder name with the help of mapping, and you must be thinking that what is the importance of mapping. Okay, so whatever the details I am providing here manually will remain same, and whatever the details I am providing here with the help of mapping will be changed automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, so basically with the help of mapping only this automation is going to take place. Okay, you can check the file and let them know the changes if any. Okay, and just in case if you also want to receive the very same file along with the notification, you can also do the same, but again it is completely up to you whether you would like to send the very same file or not. Okay, I will show you the way that how you can actually receive the very same file. Here you can find the file link. Okay, and here I will be adding that downloadable URL of that file. All right, so where is the file URL? All right, so again I have mapped the file URL here, which will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Now I'll be clicking on this button, save and send test request, and wait for that new notification to arrive. And here you can see the notification is arrived already. Hello Demon, new file has just got uploaded. All right, I have done a silly mistake here, so how about I first correct this statement. Okay, all right, so I think I have corrected this particular statement. How about I click on this button once again, and you will see how I will receive the notification once again with the correct spelling. Hello team, a new file has just got uploaded from the designer team into the folder all important designs and files. Okay, and here you can see how the folder name has been added automatically. You can check the file and let them know the changes if any. Here you can find the file link, and if I will open this particular file link, you will see how I can access the very same file from here only, from my Google chat only. I don't even have to log in into my OneDrive account. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone from your team is going to upload a file here, you do not have to manually check whether the file has been uploaded or not, because every time the file is uploaded here, you can get an automated notification on Google chat. Basically you and your team can get a notification here, and don't worry if the notifications are not arriving in real time. You will have to again wait for at least 10 minutes for that notification to be arrived, but won't worry, it is surely be arrived automatically. Okay, and this is how you can connect these two applications. This is how you can integrate these applications and automate your process. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can simply close Pabbly Connect, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Just in case if you want to access this workflow, this automation right in your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this workflow into my description box. You just need to click on that link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the very same workflow, very same automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.